Real quick video here for you guys. It's hard to see a little bit there, just doing this on my phone. We resealed the cowl on this 87 Ford 1-ton. F350 be the same on all your F-Series trucks. The cowls leak, and we happen to be doing body work on it, so we decided to reseal it. We actually used Flex Seal, which worked really well, and it went right down in the crack very nicely. It seals it very well. You'll notice some leaves in there, but that's because I had the cowl sitting here open. But I want to show you something else. The cowl actually is supposed to drain down in this port right here that goes along the fender down inside. You can hardly see that, not very good focus, I apologize. But in general, if you look back here at the vehicle, the cowl it drains down the side. On both sides it does this. And you see this little drain port right here? This is what gets clogged up. And you can see it's made out of rubber, kind of like a duckbill here. And I put it back on there so you could see it, but it's like a duckbill right here. And I guess someone at Ford thought that ideally that would drain all the time. But under the circumstances, when debris gets in the cowl, small amounts of debris, there's not enough water force pressure to open this rubber cowl right here, to open this little rubber bill looking drain cap right here. So what happens is this little rubber cap spout fills with debris, and over time it just becomes a mud hole. It's because all the debris sits in there, just like compost almost. It just gets full of debris and junk, and then the cowl doesn't drain quickly as it should, so water sets in that cowl because it's open up there. We have the metal cowl off right now, but you'll see it's open. In any case, since I have the truck apart, I decided just to remove these, and I'll remove this to show you. You see this debris in here. This happens to be dry because I already cleaned it out. But now you see this big drain hole. Now that makes more sense because all the debris can still get out of here without very much force, and rainwater and things like that can also get out of there and will not set in the cowl. So we sealed the cowl up top, crossed, took out all the old, put in new, and then we removed these rubber ports here, these little drain ports right there on both sides. Now you might be able to do this if you just remove the few screws on the back of the inner plastic fender and reach up in there with a screwdriver or something. They'll pop right off. But in my opinion, they're just in the way and they clog up. So I'm sure Ford has a reason why they're there, but they're not going back. So when I put the fender back, that cowl was sealed, and that drain hole is enormous comparatively, so it will drain. So hope that helps anybody that has that problem.